Welcome to ShiftPath, your ultimate destination for in-depth and honest car reviews. From budget-friendly rides to ultra-luxury and performance EVs, we break down every detail so you can choose the right path. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into BMW's most powerful electric SUV, the iX M70 xDrive, finished in the stunning Tanzanite Blue Metallic. We'll explore exterior design, interior luxury, cutting-edge technology, performance and driving feel, comfort and practicality, pricing and value in the USA, and finally, the pros and cons you need to know before buying. Let's get started. Exterior design. The BMW iX M70 in Tanzanite Blue is a perfect mix of elegance and aggression. This deep metallic blue shifts beautifully under sunlight, giving the iX a high-end premium presence. Up front, the oversized kidney grille is closed for aerodynamics, with gloss black surrounds and M-specific accents. Slim LED headlights and blue eye badging hint at its electric performance DNA. On the side, you get aerodynamically sculpted panels, frameless doors, and massive 21 or optional 22-inch aero wheels with M Sport brake calipers. At the back, slim LED taillights and a clean bumper design emphasize the futuristic styling. The overall look is both bold enough to stand out and clean enough to appeal to luxury EV buyers. Interior luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Sustainably sourced materials, soft-touch surfaces, and minimalist design dominate the space. The flat-bottom steering wheel, M Sport detailing, and sculpted seats give it a sporty edge. The curved dual-screen setup combines a 12.3-inch driver display with a 14.9-inch central touchscreen, all running BMW's iDrive 8 system. Crystal-finished controls, ambient lighting, and panoramic glass roof add a touch of drama to the interior. Technology and features. The iX M70 packs BMW's latest tech, including augmented reality navigation, voice control, and over-the-air updates. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking assist with a 360-degree camera. A Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, perfect for long drives. BMW's My Modes allow you to customize drive settings from calm and efficient to aggressive and performance-focused. Performance and driving feel. This is the most powerful version of the iX, with dual electric motors producing up to 650 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque in launch control mode. Just to 60 mph, comes in just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph, and the xDrive all-wheel drive system keeps you planted in all conditions. The adaptive dual-axle air suspension, combined with rear-wheel steering, gives it a surprisingly agile feel for a large SUV. Comfort and practicality. Despite its performance, the iX M70 remains an incredibly comfortable daily driver. The air suspension soaks up road imperfections, while the cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to acoustic glass. Rear passengers get generous legroom, heated seats, and climate controls. Cargo space is practical, with a flat floor and split folding rear seats, making it ideal for road trips or family use. Pricing and value. In the USA, the BMW iX M70 xDrive starts around $113,900 before options. With upgrades like Tanzanite Blue Metallic, Bowers & Wilkins audio, and 22-inch wheels, the price can climb closer to $125,000 plus. For that money, you get top-tier BMW performance, cutting-edge EV tech, and a design that truly stands out. Pros and cons. Advantages. Extreme acceleration, faster than many sports cars. Stunning Tanzanite blue paint option. Luxurious tech-filled interior. Impressive driving range for its power level. M-specific performance tuning. Disadvantages. High starting price. No third-row option for larger families. Styling may be polarizing for some buyers. Final verdict. If you want an electric SUV that combines M performance, luxury comfort, and head-turning style, the BMW iX M70 xDrive is hard to beat. It's quick enough to embarrass sports cars, refined enough for long trips, and tech-forward enough to feel future-proof. For those who want the fastest, most luxurious, and boldest BMW EV yet, this is it.